How to change follow-up mail in Gmail. Follow-up mails or recovery mails are very important in order to prevent your account from getting locked up, or you can also use these accounts to log in to any of the Google services. To create a follow-up mail or change the existing follow-up mail, open up your Gmail. Next, you'll need to tap on your account on the top right of the screen and tap on Manage your Google account. Next, head over to Personal Information. Now if you scroll down and tap on Contact Info and Email, it will show you your Google account email, recovery email, contact email, and alternative emails. If you want to change your recovery email, tap on Recovery Mail and firstly type in your Google account password. You can do the same also for alternative emails. If your account does have an alternative email, simply tap on this and then add your email. But first, enter in the password. Type in the mail that you want to add. After you added the email, you will need to verify the email address that you just added. You cannot add Gmail accounts to the alternative emails, but you can add to the recovery mail or the additional mail. But for the alternative mails, you need to add a mail of a different service provider. That's how easily you can change follow-up mail in Gmail.